Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find groups on Telegram. Open Telegram, tap the search bar, and enter relevant keywords or exact names to locate groups. Try hashtags and emoji to refine results and look for public group labels. Check member counts and recent activity before joining. Use group descriptions to confirm purpose and rules, and follow channel links to discover more communities in your interest areas. Start with precise searches and try quoted phrases to find exact group names. Add niche keywords and language tags to narrow your options quickly. Scan member lists and recent posts to ensure the group is active and relevant to you. Save useful groups to folders and mute busy ones you want to check later. Reach out to moderators when rules are unclear, and use invite links responsibly to maintain group quality and safety. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep snacks tidy for on-the-go community meetups or digital nomad days. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and save time between chats and chores. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a set if it helps, and now let's get back to the video. Prioritize safety by reading group rules and pinned messages before posting. Beware of groups asking for personal or financial details, and never share sensitive data. Use report and block features if you encounter spam, scams, or abusive behavior. Prefer groups with active moderators and clear guidelines to keep conversations constructive. Consider testing new groups quietly until you gauge tone and trustworthiness to protect your privacy and time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.